Hello students, today we are going to study parking studies. There are two types of parking. The first one is on-street parking with curb facility and the second one is off-street parking. Now we will study on-street parking. In this type of parking, vehicles are parked along the curb. On curb parking, angle parking are also allowed, but 45-degree angle is considered best among all. Now various types of street parking are as follows. The first one is parallel parking, in which the vehicle are parked like this. Now the number of space will be equals to L by 6.6 because the length taken by one vehicle along the section of road will be equals to 6.6 meter. So if the total length of curb is capital L, then the number of space will be equals to L upon 6.6. The next one is 30-degree parking. Now in 30-degree parking, the vehicle are parked like this. So the number of space will be equals to L minus 0.85 divided by 5.1. Similarly, for 45-degree parking, the number of space will be equals to L minus 2 upon 3.6. For 60-degree parking, the number of space will be equals to L minus 2 upon 2.9. Similarly, for 90-degree parking, the number of space will be equals to L upon 2.5. Now the next type of parking is off-street parking. When parking facility is provided at separate place away from curb, it is known as off-street parking. The main advantage of this parking is there no congestion and delay on the road as it is in curb parking. That is all about the parking study. Thank you very much, students.